In the last sessions, we covered very clearly. In the last sessions, we covered very clearly about the data types. Regarding about fundamental data types. So first we discussed about int type. Next and after that float type. Next after completing float type, I covered about complex type and then bool type and then str type. Regarding and then we are talking about str type, right? Okay. So now, do you know int means integral values, whole numbers. Regarding whole numbers without a decimal point. Float means do you know point with a decimal point are called float. Complex numbers means something like 10 plus 20 j. It is called complex numbers. Bool means logical values, either true or false. Either true or false is the logical values. Next, str means a string type. Do you know in how many ways we can specify string value? Either within single quote or either within double quotes, or either within triple quotes, or either within triple double quotes. Okay, so like you have, are you getting right? So we can specify in Python string values. Yes, in all these possible ways there is no problem at all, right? But when we should go for triple quotes, have you remembered? I covered already in the last sessions. Anyone, can you please remind once? Sir, generally single quote and double quote, okay, well, single quotes are recommended, I told already. But now, can you please tell when we should go for triple quotes? Sir, one thing, to define multi-line string literals. Are you getting? To define multi-line string literals. Literal means values. To define, if my string literal contain multiple lines, then we can go for to define multi-line string literals. Happily we can go for, okay, that triple quotes story. Next, to use a single quote or double quote. To use a single quotes or double quote, as a symbol in our string, then triple quotes story highly recommended to use, right? That's all. This is what you people should be aware, where we can use the triple quotes. Some people are going to feel triple quotes can be used for multi-line comments also. No, it is a wrong statement, right? Multi-line string literals, we can able to do that. Multi-line string literals, we can able to use that. Next, are to use a single quotes or double quote as the symbol in our string. Then happily we can go for we can go for, yes, this triple quotes story. Next, and after that, one beautiful point I covered, sir, of course, which is very helpful in the next sessions also. Take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Sir, if you consider string type, do you know if you consider that string values like sir, if you consider that in Python, do you know, sir, both the positive index and negative index both are applicable, but in other languages like Java, you require to talk about only positive index. Regarding, you require to talk about only positive index, but Python supports negative index also. Remember that, sir. Okay, suppose if I consider D, U, next R, and then G, A, something like I'm taking, sir. Sir, assume this is the D, U, R, G, A, like this. This is my string, sir. Sir, can you please spell out what is the positive index, sir? Positive index means what? Forward direction. Forward direction. What is the positive index of this? 0, sir? 0. 1. Positive index of D itself is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, positive index means it is always left to right forward direction. Remember that, sir. Negative index means, sir, you know, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2, -3, -4, and then -5. This one itself is nothing but backward direction. Remember this. So forward direction, backward direction. Forward direction means left to right. Positive index starts from 0. Next, negative index means backward direction. Right to left starts from -1. Everyone can able to understand, right? Starts from -1. This thing itself is nothing but, okay, indexing, right? So in Python, negative index is also possible. That's what you have to aware, sir. Okay, well. Next, and after that, one more operator I covered, sir. one more operator I covered. Have you remembered? Just I forgot, sir. I forgot. What is the word, sir? Anyone can you please tell? Sir, slice. Have you remembered slice? Slice operator, right? Okay. What is the other operator we require to discuss is slice operator, right? So what is the syntax for slice operator? What is the syntax for slice operator, right? Syntax for slice operator is, don't think too much, just a very basic level I'm going to discuss. Just after completing these data types and so on, again we require to discuss a string data type in detail. There we are going to perform postmortem on slice operator. Just try to familiar what is the syntax for slice operator, right? Sir, string reference, yes. So do you know begin colon end colon step? Remember this one. Begin colon end colon step. This is the yes means variable name, sir. Variable name begin colon end colon step. Sir, do you know what is the meaning of slice? Normal meaning, sir. What is the meaning of slice? Slice. What it means? Anyone can you please tell? Slice means piece. Are you getting? So splitting, not splitting. Slice means one piece. If you observe that, okay, sir, in the Google we can use the word apple slice. Are you getting? Apple slice images, right? Apple slice images. Okay, just if you observe that apple slice, if you observe, yes, sir, this is, are you getting this piece? This piece itself is nothing but what we call this piece itself is the slice. Observe that this is one slice, this is one slice, like split into multiple pieces, and each piece is by default considered as one slice. Okay, so like you should have it. Now here take a bit very special case, sir. What is the meaning of this slice operator is one small thing I will explain, sir. Here just observe that. Just observe, I'm taking durga, okay, like this, right? So let me go a bit lengthy things, sir. Just observe that this is my string. 1 minute, friends. Okay, here I'm taking like this. These are various things are available. Just observe that, sir. So these are various characters I want to take. A bigger string I'm going to take, sir. This is my intention, right? So now just observe what string I'm going to take is A, B, C, okay, D, next E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Like this I'm taking, sir. Now, can you please tell what is the index, right? What is the index I have to take? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8. Are you getting? Total 9 characters are there. 0 to 8, 9 characters are there, sir. Now the point is, I want to ask, forget about negative as of now, so I don't want to talk about negative because already you got basic idea. Sir, maybe in the future we are going to perform postmortem, there I will talk about that. Don't worry about this. Sir, assume this is yes, sir. Yes is A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. If I can ask yes of 0, anyone can you please tell which character by default you are going to get now? Please respond. S of 0. S of 0 is A. If I can ask S of 7, I'm taking, sir. Which value by default we are going to get? Which character we are going to get? H. So by using index, we can get only one character. Are you getting? The corresponding character you are going to get, sir. If the specified index is not available, then immediately you are going to get error also. Okay, so index is not there, index error, like that we are going to get, sir. Okay, suppose let me consider here. Just have a look once, sir. Here I'm taking P by Python, like sir, S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. The same yes only I'm taking, sir. Sir, S of 0 is nothing but yes, sir. S of 7 is nothing but H. By default, we are getting. S of 23 I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell what will happen? Boss, what is the which character present at 23 index? Which character present at 23 index? Not there. If the corresponding index, if the specified index is not available, then immediately you are going to get error. What is that error, sir? index error, string out of box range, string index out of range. By default, we are going to get it's a common, sir. Okay, whenever we are trying to access character by using index, then we are going to get index error if that index is out of range. Okay, well, excellent. Now observe next point, sir. So now I don't want first character, second character, third character like I want one piece. Regarding that, I want one piece from second index to fifth index. Sir, can you please give that piece? Can you please give that slice? Regarding slice means one piece. So now what I'm trying to take, suppose assume that yes of sir 1:7. Assume R1:6 I'm taking, sir. Sir, observe, because what is the first argument? First argument is the begin, second argument is the end, last argument is nothing but step. Have you remember, right? Begin, end, step. Forget about this step, sir. Don't worry. It is the default value. Right? Now it returns substring. Substring means a slice, piece, right? It returns a substring present from begin index to end -1 index. Remember this one, sir. Begin index to end -1 index. It is going to return. Now observe that yes of 1:6. So 1:6 means it returns a substring from 1 index to can I spell out, sir? It returns the substring from 1 index to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 means what? 6 minus 1 means 5 index, right? Are you getting 5 index? Now take a bit very special case. 1 index to 5 index. What is the answer? Can you please tell? 1 index to 5th index. What is the answer, sir? B, C, D, E, F. Are you getting? Now, do you know, sir? We are going to get B, C, D, E, F. This slice we are going to get. Now observe. I hope you people can able to understand why the word slice operator. Instead of single character, I'm going to get piece. Sir, I want this piece. I want this slice. Then we can go for what? Slice operator. Now, is it going to return the same or not? Yes, of 1:6 I'm taking, sir. Can you please observe? What is the answer? Is it the same answer or not? B, C, D, E, F, like this, right? Now you can ask anything, no problem at all, sir. Don't feel only 1 to 6. Yes, of some 2 to 7 I'm taking. Can you please tell what the answer now? 3 to 7 or 2 to 7 I'm taking, sir. What the answer now? 2 to 7. 2 to 7. Can you please tell? 2 means C. 2 to 7. 2 means C. C, D, E, F, G. Up to that G only. Because 7 means 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 means 6. 2 to 6 only we require to consider. 2 to 6 only we require to consider. Means, do you know? This is the 2. 2 to 6 we require to consider, sir. C, D, E, F, G. By default we are going to get. Yes, of 2 to 7 if you consider that. Okay, C, D, E, F, G. By default we are going to get. Can you please tell everyone in the position to understand what the meaning of begin and the end? Any doubt? Sir, I didn't introduce a step. Don't worry. First, try to familiar up to this terminology, right? Okay. So begin : end. Sir, it returns the substring present from begin index to n minus 1 index. Even examples also I covered, right? Now I have one small doubt, sir. Sir, this begin and the end. Do you know end value is optional? Remember this one. End value is optional. If we are not specifying end value, then default value is end of the string. Suppose I didn't specify end, sir. Just I specified begin : that's all, sir. I didn't specify end. If you didn't specify end, no problem at all. So from until end of the string by default it's going to consider, sir. Suppose if I can take s of colon 2, sir, 2 colon like this. Can you please tell what the meaning of this one? Please respond. What is the meaning of this one? 2 colon. That's all. Second value I didn't specify because end value is optional. If you are not specifying end value, it is going to consider until end of the string. So 2 colon. Are you getting 2 colon means from second index to second index to, sir, until end, second index to until end. C, D, E, F, C to I by default we are going to get, sir. C to I by default we are going to get. End value means optional. If you are not specifying end value, then by default is going to consider until end of the string. Remember that. Let me cross check, sir. Let me cross check. Is my analysis the correct or not? 2 colon like this I'm taking, sir. Can you please observe? Yes. Is it correct or not? From C to second index to end of the string by default it's going to be considered. Any doubt? Friends, any doubt? Are you able to understand, right? So same rule applicable for begin also. Begin value is optional. Begin value is optional. The default value is, can you please guess, sir? If we are not specifying begin, what the default value? Now, what is the default value? Default value means from beginning. From beginning, the default value is from beginning of the string. From beginning of the string. From beginning of the string means 0 is the default value. Are you getting? 0 is the default value. So if you are not mentioning, okay, begin, then automatically starts from 0 onwards. Best example, yes of colon, okay, until 7 I'm taking, sir. Colon 7. S of colon 7 means from 0 to 7 minus 1, 6. 0 to 7 minus 1, 6. 0 to 7 minus 1, 6 means, do you know, sir, from beginning. Have you observed, right? From beginning of the string to, until 6. Beginning of the string to until 6. A to G. Let me cross check, sir. S of colon 7. S of colon 7 like this I'm taking, sir. Then automatically A to G 100% pakka perfectly it is valid. Any doubt? Are you getting that? So this is, so begin means if you are not specifying begin value from beginning of the string, if you are not specifying end value, then until end we require to consider, sir. It's a very common. Now I have very interesting doubt, sir. Very interesting doubt. S of colon like this I'm taking. Can you please tell what is the value we are going to get now? I'm not specifying begin value. I'm not specifying end value. What is the answer by default you are going to get? Just colon, that's all. Means complete string. From begin to end. I want a complete string. Begin to end. I want a complete string. Then automatically, what is the way? How you can able to do that? What is the way, sir? Very simple, sir. Like so, let me cross check. Yes, of colon like this I'm taking, sir. Yes, of colon like this I'm taking. Then automatically A to I by default you are going to get. Any doubt? All the things are very clear for you people, right? Yeah, so what is negative index? It's not correct time to talk. Okay, so in the strings concept I will explain. We are going to perform postmortem at least 1 hour about this concept. Don't worry, there we will talk. Clear for you up to this? What the meaning of? What the meaning of? So what we call this colon operator? What the meaning of slice operator? What is the begin? What is the end? If you are not specifying these things, what will happen? Like it's a very clear for you people, right? Next up, end index. Why they are considering n minus 1? Usually, do you know, boss? I want up to 4th. I want up to 4th. Up to 4th character. I want means Naukant. So Naukant is asking a bit very interesting doubt. Can you please observe that? Why they consider only end? Why the Python team implemented n index as n minus 1? The reason is our index starts from 0. Are you getting? Sir, I want 4th character. I want fourth character. Fourth character available at which index? Fourth character available at which index? Third index. Correct or not? Third index. That's why maybe. So that may be the reason. Now, are you able to understand? Fourth, because our index is always starts from 0. Sir, first character available at 0th index. Sir, I want the fourth character means which is available at third index. Are you getting? So that's what n minus 1. That may be the reason. Okay. Next, one more small thing I have to explain. Take very special case. Now the third character also I want to introduce. What is the meaning of step? Step. Now begin, end, no problem. We didn't sir having any doubt at all. We covered. So now what is the begin, end? What is the third argument? Can you please tell? Please respond. I forgot. What is the third argument? Step. Step means what? Jumping. Step means what? Jump. I mean, how much increment you require? How much increment you require? Like this, right? Suppose I'm taking legend. Until this, I didn't specify any step value. The default value for the step is 1. Remember this one. The default value for step is 1. So means so every time you require to move one step. Every time we require to move one step. What the meaning of that is, legend this one. Sir, after considering this C, can you please move one step? Means I will go to the next character. After considering D, can you please move one step? Means next character. Step 1 means consider next character like that. Sometimes what will happen? Sir, step 2. Observe very carefully, sir. Sometimes my requirement is step 2. I'm talking. Step 2 means, suppose A I consider, sir. Step value is not 1. Can you please jump to step 2 means, so this is one step we should not do. Directly you should jump to this place. Are you getting right? You should. After considering this one, again step 2 means you require to consider like this. Are you able to get right? What is the meaning of step 2? Step 2 means you have to move to the next second position every time. This is by default considered step 2. Any doubt? Are you getting? Can you please tell step 3? What is the meaning of that? Sir, suppose A. If it is the step 3, what is the next character? After A, if it is the step 3, what is the next character? D. Sir, don't. If it is the step 1, it is the step 2, it is the step 3. Means, can you please jump to next third character? Okay, like that it is going to be there. Okay, this is nothing but step value, right? Now, very easily you can able to understand. Observe this one, sir. S of I'm taking S of colon 1 I'm taking, sir. What is the meaning of colon 1? Sir, you require to consider total string. And every time you have to increment. Step value is 1. 1 means every next character you require to consider means. Can you please tell what is the answer I'm going to get, sir? Can I get total string or not? Yes, friend. Can I get total string or not? Yes, because every time step 1 means consider next character. All the characters we require to consider total string by default we are going to get, sir. Okay. Now let me cross check. S of colon 1 I'm taking, sir. So, sir, from begin to end of the string, every time you require to consider next character only. Every next character means, sir, you require to move one step. One step means next character only will come. That's why the answer by default you are going to get A to I. Sir, all value by default you are going to get. Now my question is S of colon 2, sir. Can you please guess the answer? S of colon 2, if I can ask. Python is going to take care internally that step incrementing all those things, because operators is a part of Python language internally having that functionality. Don't worry, sir. So you require to consider from begin to end, but every time you require to jump, sir, to second character. Every time you require to jump to second character means you require to ignore one character in the middle. Then automatically, according to our diagram, what the answer? If I consider A, yes, first beginning A, and then next jump to C, and then jump to E, and then jump to G, and then jump to I. Can you please tell what is the answer by default you are going to get, sir? Anyone can you please guess? A, C, E, G, I. This is the answer we have to get. Okay, can you please cross check, sir? A, C, E, G, I. Can you please jump to which position? That's what that thing is going to consider step value, right? Okay, well, sir, yes of colon 3 I'm taking. Yes, happily you can able to tell correct answer, right? Sir, this is my thing. This is the total string. In that, every time can you please jump to third character? What's the answer? Can you please guess what the answer? A, and then D, and then G. That's all. A, D, G. That's it. Perfect, friends. A, D, G. That's it. Now, what is the meaning of step value? What is the meaning of step value? What is the meaning of begin, end, and then step? Everyone in a position to understand. Nothing is there, sir. Is it clear for you people? Yes, friends. Because next time also several times we are going to use this one. What is the meaning of step? What is the meaning of begin? What is the meaning of end? And then step, like this, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, now do you know I have one string is there, sir? Yes. Take very special case, sir. Yes is equal to Durga is there. This is my input string. Listen carefully. Sir, where you have this type of requirements, sir? Maybe a chance to ask, man. Where you have this type of requirements, sir? Can you please tell? Sometimes maybe a chance to ask. What I want to do, sir, I have some string is there, sir. I have some string is there. Durga software like this. I have some string is there, sir. Assume that. Can you please tell? Just let me take Durga one. I have one string. Sir, can you please provide? Can you please convert this string into title case? Are you getting title case? What the meaning of title case means? Sir, first character should be converted into uppercase. Remember this one, sir. First character should be converted to uppercase. Like that you require to consider. Title case means now I'm expecting the answer yes, Durga. Are you getting? I'm expecting the answer yes, Durga. D should become capital. This is about my requirement. How you can able to do that, sir? So first point, output is equal to assume I'm saving inside output variable is equal to how I can get the first character. Can you please tell how I can read first character? Please respond. How I can read first character? Why you are thinking? S of 0. How I can read first character? S of 0 dot upper. Are you getting? There is one method is there. Don't worry. In the strings concept, I will discuss. Don't worry about that. Dot upper. So means you are getting first character and converting into uppercase. Excellent, man. Plus after this first character, what is the next one? What is the next one I require? So from one character onwards, if it is already upper, no problem at all. Nothing will happen. Okay? If it is already upper, nothing will happen, sir. Next, second character onwards. I want to take as it is. Then second character onwards, I want to take as it is means how you can consider this a slice? Can you please tell how you can consider this a slice? Anyone? Can you please guide? Anyone? Can you please guide? Yes, of 1 colon. That's all. If you print output, now your required output by default is going to come. So, can you please convert? I have one lower case string is there. Can you please convert into title case? Then what is the way, sir? This is the way. Suppose just what I'm telling is, if you want to do operations manually, how you can able to do that? Any doubt, friends? Are you able to understand 1 colon? Because you require to consider until end. That's why second thing, we are not required to specify. One argument is enough because default value for end is last only. That's why. Okay, sir, really, is it really is going to convert or not? You people may have the bigger doubt. Let me cross check, sir. Observe small logic, sir. S is equal to, okay, Durga software. Any name you can give, no problem at all. Now output is equal to, I forgot the logic. Can you please tell what is the code I have to write? What is the code I have to write? What is the code we have to write? S of, please respond. S of 0 dot upper. S of 0 dot upper. So read the first character and converting to upper. Plus. Now second character onwards until end of the string you require to consider as it is. S of 1 colon. That's it. Now can you please print off output? Can you please print off output? Perfect. What is the output you are going to get? Now it will convert into subtitle case. Now just have a look once, sir. Okay, py test dot py. Are you getting? Can you please observe? Everyone, is it clear for you people? Like just I'm saving this result inside a variable. That variable value I'm trying to print. Sir, this variable, anything you can take, no problem at all. Sir, this total result I'm taking inside x, under that x I'm trying to print. Because, are you able to understand? Yes, these operations are now modified string you are getting. That modified string, can you please convert into like this, right? Just the output is just variable, any variable name you can take. Okay, that's all Durga software like this we are going to get. So now if the string starts with the digit, if the string starts with the digit, then nothing. Upper is not going to do anything. If it is the alphabet symbol, then it can convert into uppercase. If it is the digit, then nothing will happen. Can you please observe that? 1 is there. 1 converting to upper is nothing but nothing will be there, sir. Now observe that. Same thing we are going to get the output. Divisor. Getting? Okay, well, there is one small doubt. Is there any direct function to apply on yes itself instead of taking in other variable? Convert to Durga. Now, generally in the strings concept I will explain. There is one small important terminology is there. So after that you may get much clarity. Don't worry. Just the idea purpose is that where this indexing, where this slicing are going to be applicable. Just for idea purpose I'm telling. Okay, clear, right? Okay, well. So now I have one more start colon, end colon step. It is not going to work. Start, end, and step means values you require to provide. Values you require to provide. Sir, one. Next and after that, here just observe. If you want to specify end means what is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 you require to take. 13 you require to take. Means 1 to colon. Or otherwise, let me take Durga. Then you can get much clarity. Sir, now I want to consider what is this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 1 to 5 I have to take. Are you getting? Colon. Every time you require to consider only one step value because all characters I want. That's why step value. Now also you will get the same. Any doubt? Friends? Yes, you can take numbers also as a string. Rakesh. Okay. Well, there is one small important point. Yes, a slice operator will allow all special characters. Slice operator, any character, it never going to worry about which character is there. But here the values are always integral values only. From 1th index to 5th index, and then like this is just here any type of characters you can take inside a string. Sorry. Okay. String can contain special characters also, no problem at all. Okay, like because based on this you can able to generate multiple cases. So boss, you are asking sir some small assignments. What about my assignment is, oh, don't convert first character, man. Don't convert first character. Can you please convert second character as uppercase? Can you please convert second character as uppercase? Then apply this logic, index a slice. With that you can do anything. Sir, my requirement is, if I provide Durga, now my requirement is first letter should be uppercase. Next, last letter should be uppercase again. Are you getting? Last letter should be uppercase again. Can you please write the logic? Anyone? Can you please tell? If I will provide some string, first letter, last letter should be converted into uppercase. If it is the Durga only, assume that my string is always fixed. It is the Durga, sir. Durga. What answer I want? First letter and last letter. This is the output I am expecting from you. Can you please guess? Anyone? Yeah. Good. Anyone can please guess the logic? What there inside? Small kid also can able to tell, I hope. Okay? Yeah. Good. What the answer we require to take? Okay? Very simple. Yes of 0 dot upper. Okay, well, first character completed. Next, remaining characters I want. Remaining characters as it is I want, except last one. Yes of 1 colon. Okay. Can you please tell 1, 2, 3? Up to that I require to consider. 1, 2, 3 means you have to take 4. Correct, right? 1 to 4 means begin to n-1. Begin to n-1 means 1 to 4 minus 1 means 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Perfect. Plus. Okay. What is these characters are? Last character. Again you require to convert. Sir, can you please tell what is the index of last character? Please respond. What is the index of last character? What is the index of last character? 4. 4 man. Index of last character. 4, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 4 is the index of last character. Starts from 0, Swami. Now, yes of 4 colon upper. That's all. Wonderful, sir. Now, if you want, do you know what is the output by default you are going to get? Perfectly. The output itself you are going to get is, observe that. Durga, yeah. Any doubt? Thoda, slowly, you people are getting the knowledge. Where we can able to apply. Where we can able to apply slice operator. Where we can able to apply. Okay? Like sometimes my programming requirement. Array while displaying all the names, please take care into uppercase. All the names, please take care into what we call title case. If you want, then happily you can able to do. Whatever required operations you can able to do. Next, my next level, if you are very much interested, if you are not feeling difficult, then I will go a bit to next level. Can I? We have to apply index based on 0 in slice. Yes, everywhere, whether it is the slice operator, normal index, the total index is always 0 based only. Remember that. Yes, if you are not feeling difficult, then I will go to the next level. More generic example I will take, so that you people can aware, sir. What I want to take is, sir, observe this one. How many characters are there in this string? Can you please tell? How many characters are there in this string? 5 characters are there. Correct, right? If you want to know length of the string, then we have to print the length of s. There is one method is there, sir. Length of s. Regarding there is one method is there. What is that method? Length of yes itself is to know number of characters. Regarding how many characters are there, sir? Length of yes. Can you please tell which character locating at the last index? Length of yes is the 5, sir. 5. Can you please tell which character locating at the last index? Last index. Anyone can you please tell? Anyone can you please tell? Yeah. Sir, can I use the word? What is the index of last character? Please tell. What is the index of last character? 4. Can I use the word 4 means length of yes minus 1 or not? Array, length of yes minus 1 or not? Observe that. Length of yes minus 1. Length of yes means 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. So, last character is always available at length of yes minus 1. Remember that, sir. Length of yes minus 1. What my intention is, now observe this. S of 0 is the upper. 1, 2. Here 4 I have to take. 4 means length of s minus 1. Can I use the word? 4 means length of s minus 1 or not? I respond. Length of s minus 1 or not? Yes. Length, number of characters. Length of s minus 1. Next, here 4 means again length of s minus 1. Length of s minus 1. Length of s minus 1 means last one only. Even you can take minus 1 also. S of minus 1. Both are same. Anyway, don't worry. Length of s minus 1 is the last character index. Okay. Why I am taking this one is, now this string can be anything you can able to take, no problem at all. Sir, Durga software solutions like this I'm taking. Now this logic is going to work or not? Can you please cross check? Is it going to work or not? Is it going to work or not? Because generalized I'm taking, sir. Generalized I'm taking. Now observe, even you are not getting also, slowly we are going to reach that level. Don't worry, sir. Okay. So length is always contain only number of characters. Starts with 1 only. I'm sorry. It never going to, length never talks about index. Length is number of characters. Okay. Can you please observe that? Is it perfect or not? Durga, D and S. Are you getting D and S in the middle? Sir, you can take anything, sir. First letter should be uppercase. Next letter should be, first letter should be uppercase. Next letter should be lowercase. Like that it's going to consider. I mean last character. First and last character should be uppercase. Like. Now you may ask, sir, why you have to hard code this one? Why don't you read from the keyboard? Why don't you read from the keyboard? Yes, why not, man? Input. Don't worry. Input. Enter some string. Enter some string. Like this I'm asking. Enter some string. Input. Enter some string. Enter some string. Now take a bit very special care. Enter some string. Okay. Now I'm trying to enter. Okay, just Sunny Leone. I'm taking, sir. Now observe that. What is the answer by default you are going to get? Yes, under that. Are you getting generalized? Slowly generalization. Are you getting that? Enter some string. Okay, Sir Amir Khan. Okay, like I'm taking A capital, N capital. Are you getting? Next, Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan. Like this I'm taking, sir. S capital, N capital, something like that. Sir, slowly, if you evade pieces, then connecting those pieces will become very easy. Don't worry about that. Just okay, but anyway, we don't know how to read input from the keyboard. Next, I'm directly using a bit complex logic. If any person feeling a bit difficult, nothing. We are not at this level. Just for your idea purpose only, I'm covering this one. Don't worry much about that. Even you are not getting 100%. Everyone can able to understand my words? How many people clearly can able to understand this logic? Okay, clear. Even if 1 or 2 persons feeling a bit difficult to understand, nothing, because we are not at this level. Don't worry. Yeah, Akansha, don't worry. Okay, if any person is not at this level also, don't worry. Okay, now sir, just we will go for next level, sir. We will go for next level. That's all this is. Next one very important question is there for the interview room. That part I will take care. Sir, here Sushil is asking something like this. Can you please tell what is the answer by default we are going to get, sir? Like this, S is equal to Durga. Can you please guess anyone what answer by default we are going to get, so that we will go to the next level? Please guess according to this. I don't know what is the answer we are going to get now. What is the answer we are going to get now? Yeah, Navkant, observe a bit carefully and then tell the answer. Observe a bit very carefully and then tell the answer. Observe that which character is coming first, and then which character is coming, and then which character is coming. All those things are very important. Observe the code. There is a big change is there. Okay, sir. First, yeah. Please consider valid. 100% pakka itself is valid. Don't worry. It's a valid. What is the output? What is the output? I mean, A, print of A. What is the output we are going to get now? If I print A value, the result value, what is the output we are going to get now? I want to listen from you people. Just I'm giving 1 minute time. Don't worry. Please analyze and then let me know. Good. Malini. Total output what we are going to get, you have to tell. Some logic anyway for all the remaining people also. Now just observe that perfect. Now take a bit very special care. What is the answer we are going to get? What is the answer we are going to get? Here legend this one. First S of 0, you are going to get a D. Can you please convert into upper? Because of this, small d will become capital D. Excellent. Sir, first character plus means continuation. Next what I'm doing, S of 4. S of 4 means which character present at the fourth index. Fourth index, which character is there? A is there. A is there. Can you please convert to upper? Then automatically next A converting to upper is going to come. D A. And then plus S of 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means 1 index 2, 4 minus 1 index 1 to 3. 1 to 3 slice we required. 1 to begin to n minus 1. 1 to 3. 1 2 3 means U R G should be in the lower case. Are you getting? U R G should be in the lower case. So capital D, capital A, small U R G we are going to get. Any doubt? Friends, are you able to understand, right? Yes. Let me execute this code. Whether am I going to get the same output or not? Can you please cross check? Capital D, capital A, U R G. This is the output we are going to get. Yeah, sir, believe me, slice operator and this slice operator index, these things are beautiful, sir. We can perform post-mortem like anything. Okay, remember that. Okay, in the string concept I will discuss. Don't worry about that. Clear, right? Next, that's all. These are various things you have to aware like this, right? Sir, I want a total string in the uppercase. I want a total string in the uppercase. What there inside? Yes, dot upper. Yes, dot upper print of A. Yes, dot upper print of A. Now, yes, if you want a particular character or particular piece, then you require to use what? Index or otherwise a slice operator. If you want a total string, S dot upper, S dot upper, S dot upper. Now upper is a method which is applicable like this, right? Now, happily, the output Durga by default we are going to get. Okay, don't worry. We will reach that level slowly. Okay, like now, next, sir, very important for the interview room, but don't ask for any explanation. Just aware. Don't ask for any explanation. Just aware. In the future, we are going to discuss something. For that, I am giving hint, sir. Yes of colon 1. What is the answer I will get now? Can you please tell? Kushbu, whatever you are telling is the same. Yes dot upper, yes of colon dot upper, both the things are same. Yeah. Can you please tell colon 1? What is the answer we are going to get? Yes of colon 1. Total string we are going to get. Nanna, Oi, Rakesh, already we discussed. Begin, end means total. Every time you require to step 1 means all the characters. Yes, colon 1. Okay, like this, right? So now here just observe that. Yes, of colon 1. I'm trying to take directly here. Yes, of colon 1 I'm taking. Don't worry, sir. Don't worry. What is the answer? Total string. Because here Durga, total string we are going to get. Colon 1, colon minus 1 I'm taking. Can you please tell what the answer? Colon minus 1 I'm taking. Why? Step value is minus 1, man. Step value is minus 1, sir. Minus 1. Remember that. Step can be negative also. Sir, step can be negative means it will move from backward. It will move to the backward direction. Positive means forward direction. Negative step value means backward direction. I want a total string in backward direction. What the answer by default we are going to get? Reverse is going to be happen. AGRUD. Are you getting? But internally how it is going to work and so on. Don't worry, in the string concept I will discuss. Sometimes here in the interview room they will ask, hey, by using slice operator, how to reverse the string? By using slice operator, how to reverse the string? Can you please explain the logic? Nothing. Yes of colon minus 1. Total string in reverse order by default we are going to get. That's what you should get. Okay, just as of now, aware. Just in the strings, there we are going to perform postmortem. That's also. As of now, this knowledge is more enough related to string concept, right? Sir, up to these how many data types we covered? Int we covered, float we covered. Next and after that, complex we discussed. Next, bool we covered, and the str also we covered, right? So you know all these data types are by default considered as fundamental data types of Python. These 5 data types are generally the most commonly used data types, right? These things are by default considered as fundamental data types of Python. Point number 1. Second one, sir, in Python, sir, is there any char data type? Can you please tell? Is there any char data type in the Python? No. Even single character within single quotes also, still it is considered as string only, but char data type is not there. Remember, even single character within single quotes also is considered as string only. No char data type in the Python. Remember. Next, long data type. Yes, can you please tell one statement about long type? Somewhere I covered already in the last sessions, right? Long data type is available. Long data type is available in Python 2. Is available in Python 2, but not in Python 3. Long data type is available in the Python 2, but not in Python 3. It's not there. That's why we are not required to worry at all. Okay, so that's all. These are small points you people should be aware up to these things, right? Okay. Now long was there in the old language Python 2, but not in Python 3. Char, such type of thing is not available. Next up, for float values, only float is the data type, complex and so on. These 5 are fundamental data types of Python, sir. Okay, well. Then immediately my next question, sir, is it possible to convert one type to another type or not? Regarding, is it possible to convert one type to another type or not? I want to check, sir. Yes, possible or not? Yes, 100% pakka possible. One type to another type. Yesterday we covered one base to another base. Sir, base conversions we discussed. Base conversions we covered. Something like bin, next and after that OCT, next and after that hexa, like conversions from one base to another base. Now my question is, int value is there. Okay, can you please convert into float value? Float value is there. Can you please convert into complex type? Bool value is there. Can you please convert into str type? Regarding something like this is about my requirement. So how you can convert one type to another type? Okay, so this is type casting concept we require to talk. Regarding typecasting is the next concept what we require to. So we can convert one type of value to another type. This conversion is called typecasting, or some people may use type coercion. Are you getting that? What is this one, sir? Can you spell out? Typecasting or type coercion. Coercion is nothing but conversion only. Nothing will be there, sir. So by using which methods we can able to perform typecasting, sir? It's a very important concept. Very important. Yeah, how to convert from one type to another type. Which methods are available? If you want to convert from any other type to int type, then we should go for int function. If you want to convert any other type to float type, we require to go for float function. Next, the complex function. Next, after that, bool function we have. Next, the str function we have. Regarding these are various functions whatever we have, sir. So nothing for every data type. Just I'm using bracket open, bracket close. Nothing, sir. Okay. So these are the type conversion functions whatever we have. What the first one? Int, float, complex, bool, and then str. By using these functions, one type to another type, happily we can able to convert. Any doubt? Are you able to understand? Next, how to convert from one type to another type? What is the behavior of these functions? We are going to discuss. First, what is the meaning of type conversion or typecasting? By using which functions we can able to do that? These are the functions, right? Now, let me go for first function in detail, because small loopholes are there. Any type to any type conversion is not possible. There are some rules and regulations are there. Those are things we require to discuss. So first one, int type, sir. Int type. Sir, very simple. We can convert from any type to int type. Listen very carefully, sir. From any type to int type, you can convert except the complex type. So you can convert float to int possible. Next one, after that, bool to int possible. No problem at all. Any type to int type, you can able to convert, sir. But complex type to int not possible. Remember this one. Complex to int not possible, sir. But float to int possible. Sorry, possible. Bool to int possible. No problem at all, sir. What is the varies? Can you please explain a small example? Like you may ask. Very simple, sir. Here, see this one. Here I'm taking int of 123.456. Sir, float to int. I'm trying to convert. No problem. So the digits after the decimal point by default will be gone, because you want int value, right? That's why. What is the answer by default we will get is simple 123 is the answer, right? So float to int conversion possible or not? Hey, respond. Float to int conversion possible or not? Yes. The digits after the decimal point by default will be gone. Remember that. Similarly, if I'm taking int of true, I'm taking. What the answer? Please confirm. Int of true. I told clearly in the last session. Pass. True means 1, false means 0, like this. Perfect. Int of true means 1. Int of false means, but the answers are 0, like this. No problem at all. Int of false means 0. Okay. Boolean to int possible. Float to int possible. Okay. Next, int of 10 plus 20j. What the answer? What the answer? What the answer? Immediately error we are going to get. Sir, complex type to int conversion not possible. By mistake, if you are trying to do type error, can't convert complex to int. Regarding type error, can't convert complex to int. Like this, we are going to get the error right. Sir, one small information for you people: don't try to execute parallelly. Highly recommended. Good programming practice. Sai Kumar. Whenever I am explaining some concept, better to listen, and after completing the class, better to execute. Highly recommended. Don't try to execute parallelly. You never going to get the subject that much in detail. Okay, yeah. So don't execute parallelly. Concentrate on my explanation, and then happily you can able to execute after completing the class all the things. Don't worry, because this video will be available. You can review this video multiple times. First, inject some points in your mind. That's what highly recommended. Yeah. Next, observe a bit very carefully. Say complex compatibility is not there. Complex is always talks about it is not int value. So that's why compatibility is not there. Remember. Okay. Well, sir, up to this float to int conversion, bool to int conversion, complex to int is also I covered, but this is not possible, right? Next, only one remaining. What the remaining? What the remaining? str2 int type. Regarding what the remaining? str2 int type, because in the int conversion, string to int. Yes, is it possible or not? Yes, possible, sir. No problem at all possible. If you want to convert string type to int type, compulsory str should contain only integral value. Compulsory str should contain only integral value, and should be specified only in the base 10. Remember this one, sir. So str should contain only int value, internally only int value. That should be specified only in base 10. Regarding that should be specified only in base 10. Remember this one, sir. Okay, what is the way? Here just observe that, sir. Sir, I'm taking int of 10, sir. Can you please tell 10 is a string? Because I'm telling it is within single quote. Single quote means it is a string only. Under this string contain internally int value, that decimal value only. That's why acceptable. 10 is the answer. 10 is the answer. Suppose int of ten I'm taking. Can you please tell? Is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Can you please guess? Int of ten, invalid, because it is not a number. It is just a word, string word. It is not a number. That's why immediately you are going to get value error, invalid literal. Pass value. This value is not correct. Invalid literal for int with the base 10. Like this, it's going to tell us. So next, int of 0b1111. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? Please respond. Is it valid or not? 100% pakka it is. 100% pakka it is invalid. 100% pakka it is invalid. You are not observing my point, I hope. Sir, here, 1 minute, I will look once. str should contain only int value. Only int value should be specified only in the base 10. Should be specified only in the base 10. But here, you are providing in which basis binary form. Regarding you are providing in which base binary form. Have you observed, right? Invalid literal for int with the base 10. It is always expecting base 10. It is not expecting any binary or octal or hexadecimal. Immediately error by default we are going to get. Regarding value error, invalid literal for int. Okay, int of here 0x face I'm taking. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Can you please tell? Invalid. Invalid. Suppose I'm taking, it is the invalid, sir. Don't worry. Suppose I'm taking int of 10 ten. Immediately error by default we are going to get. What is the meaning of that? It's not a number. It's not a number. It's not a number. I never going to talk about only first two character. Total string I require to consider invalid. Invalid like that, right? Okay. String to int conversion possible, man. But your string should contain only int value. Your string should contain only int value. Only int value. That's what must be required. That int value also should be specified only in the base 10. Okay, octal, binary, hexadecimal, such type of things are not allowed. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Do you know the most commonly used function? The most commonly used function is this int only. What the reason is? In the last example, somewhere I covered a small thoda program I want to take, sir. Read two numbers from the keyboard. Read two numbers from the keyboard and print the sum. This is about my requirement. Okay. What is the way, sir? N1 is equal to, number 1 is equal to input of enter first number. Regarding input of enter first number, like this I'm taking, sir. So first number is coming, it is going to available inside N1. Okay. Similarly, N2 is equal to, sir, input enter second number I'm asking. Now the second number you are going to enter, that thing is available here. Next, print of the sum. Print of the sum is comma N1 plus N2, something like this I'm taking. Sir, even I didn't explain about input function and so on, how to print, but everyone having some basic idea what I'm doing by simply seeing the code. Can you please tell what I'm doing? What I'm doing theoretically? Can you please tell? Yes, we are reading two values, two numbers from the keyboard, and I'm trying to print a sum. Okay, well, can you observe that? Observe. Let me run this code, sir. Let me run this code. Okay, py test.py. Let me run this code py test.py. It is going to ask first number what? Enter first number 10. Enter second number 20. Okay, well, what is the output I have to get? Can you please tell? What the output I have to get? The sum 30. The sum 30 we have to get. But observe if it very carefully, what output we are going to get is the sum 10, 20 we are going to get. The reason for that is, okay, the reason for that is whatever value you are providing from the keyboard is always going to be considered as string type only. So input function is always going to return only string form. It is not int type. Regarding it's not int type. Int types are, if you want print r type of n1, print r type of n1, let me print what is the types are. If I consider what is the type of n1 is the str type. Are you getting? So I have to convey, hey, don't consider string value, please convert into int type. String to int conversion. What is the method we require to use? What is the function we require to use? Respond. Just now I told. String to int conversion. What is the function we require to use? Int function. Okay. Now this total thing I'm taking inside int like this. Now this total string I'm taking inside int function. Inside that input I'm taking. No problem. Now converting into int type. Similarly, second one also converting into int type. Sir, int is the most commonly used function in our Python. Please observe carefully. Okay. Now let me close this program. Okay. Let me run again. Yes. Enter first number 10. Enter second number 20. Perfectly. The sum 30 by default we are going to get. Can you please confirm? Everyone in a position to understand? Yes, thoda. Are you getting? So into function, these kind of things are very common requirement, right? Okay, so make sure. So can I convert from other types of intertype? If you want to convert into function, we require you float to into possible, boolean to into possible, str to into possible. But the only restriction is that the str value should contain only number. That number should be in only decimal form. Binary, octal, such type of things are not applicable. Remember that. Okay? Well, next and after that, here another points are complex to intertype, not possible. Clear? Yeah. Now there is one more small doubt, sir. Okay. Here just observe carefully. There is one more small doubt is there. Complex. Yeah. So that we will discuss. Don't worry. Just here one small doubt is there, sir. What the doubt is, instead of performing here into like this, instead of performing here into like this, sir, if I can take like this, what will happen? They say someone is asking this doubt. What is Rakesh? The sum is int of n plus 1, int of n1 plus n2. What answer we are going to get if I provide 10, 20? What the answer we are going to get now? If I can take this program, what the answer we are going to get now? Remember that. So after completing first two lines, n1 is what type? N2 is what type? Can you please tell? N1 is what type? String type. N2 is also string type. Now N1 plus N2 means it is a string concatenation 1020. This is the string value is there, sir. Now this string value 1020 converting to intertype means now 1020 you are going to get the output but not 30. Regarding but not 30. Rakesh, are you able to understand? Okay, after concatenation, now you are trying to convert into the number. Then after concatenation, if you are trying to convert into number means 1020 will be converted but not 30. Okay, observe. Yes, perfect. Perfect. The answer is 1020. That's why at the beginning, before applying this one, before applying concatenation, you have to convert. Now I have one small doubt, sir. Int of n1 plus int of n2. Can you please tell what the answer now? Yeah, good. Int of n1 plus int of n2. Hey, n1, can you please convert into int value 10? n2, can you please convert into int value? Yes, perfect. Now 30 you are going to get, sir. Okay, and the first value and the second value. Now the sum is 30. Perfectly you are going to get. Clear? That's all. So this is about sir, how to convert the intertype and small chota example to get some basic idea where you can use. Similarly, sir, what is the next one? Which way is the better? Yet this is smallest example, which is the better and so on. Don't worry. Highly recommended. Better to convert into the number at the beginning only, not here. Okay, not at the time of usage. Please make sure at the beginning only better to convert. So in the remaining lines, simple code we are it operations will become very simple. Regarding n1 plus n2, more readability by default will be there if you can convert at the beginning only. Generally, my approach is always at the beginning only I will convert. Okay, well, first function completed, sir. Okay, what is the second one? Please confirm. What is the second one we require to take? Respond. What is the second function? Float function, sir. Matter of 5 minutes, please bear. Float function, sir. Sir, what is the float? How you can able to convert? Sir, very simple. We can convert into to float. No problem at all. Into to float, you can able to convert, sir. Sir, very simple. You can provide that int value any base also. No problem at all. Sir, we can convert any type to float type. No problem at all. Sir, whenever we are here, just observe. Yes, here I want to convert. I want to convert into like this. Just observe that float value, float of 10 I'm taking, sir. Float of 10, 10.0. Float of 0B1111 like this I'm taking, sir. Have you observed? 7.0, 111, 7.0 like this, right? So float 111, 111 means 7, 7, 7. Float converting into float means automatically decimal point will come. That's why 7.0. So level 1 into to float conversion is always possible. Next, level 2 bool to float conversion is always possible. Okay, if you are trying to convert float of true, sir, float of true, what's the answer? I respond, float of true, what's the answer? What's the answer? 1.0. Next, float of false, what's the answer we are going to get? Yes, 0.0. Perfect. Okay. Next, I want to convert complex to float type, sir. Complex to float type. Can you please tell what will happen? What will happen? Complex to float type. Okay. Float of 10 plus 20j. 10 plus 20j. Immediately error we are going to get. Okay. Can't convert complex to float type. Type error we are going to get. Can't convert complex to float type. Okay, make sure, sir. So this one is not possible. Okay, like str2 float type perfectly it is applicable, sir. But only rule is same rule. Okay, what is the rule is whenever we are trying to convert str type to float type, okay, compulsory str should be either integral value or floating point value, but should be specified only in base 10. Okay, internal str should contain only either int value or float value, either int or float value, but should be in base 10 only. That's what. Okay, this is one thing. Whatever we covered here, same terminology here also. But here, even int value is also allowed. Okay. Now, float of, sir, 100. Can you please tell valid or not? Array respond 100. Valid or not? Valid. What the answer by default you are going to get? 100.0. Are you getting 100.0? Sir, float of 120.345. No problem, valid, because it's the float, internally float only there. No issue at all, acceptable. Okay. Now I have float of 0B1111 like this I'm taking. Can you please tell? Float of 0B1111. Is it valid or invalid? Array, valid or invalid? Invalid because string you are providing in the form of string. That string should contain only base 10, but not binary. Invalid. Are you getting? Value error could not convert string to float because it is a string value, right? Can you please tell float of 0B1111? Can you please tell valid or not? Is it valid or not? Array, is it valid or not? Observe the difference between this line and this line. Very important. The difference between this line and this line. Here string to float conversion, but the string value binary invalid. But here int to float conversion, acceptable, no problem. Okay, like don't get confused, sir. Okay, anyway, all these rules I documented very clearly in our material. Just go through that. It's all the things by default there in our material, sir. Yes, Python language fundamentals. Python language fundamentals. Like yeah, just a 31 pages are available. Here, if you consider yes, typecasting, a big topic. Sir, which things are available? Have you observed, right? This is a int type. We can use the function to convert from other. Yes, have you observed? We can convert from any type to int except a complex type. Next, if you want to convert str type to int type, compulsory str should contain only integral value. Should be specified only in the base 10. Regarding should be specified only in the base 10, like this type. What about floats? We can use float function to convert other type to any other type to float type. Yes, here small examples also. Float of 10 plus 5j, error, float of true, float of false, okay, like this type. We can convert any type value to float type except a complex type. Whenever we are trying to convert, like, so clear, everything is documented well. Okay, first better to inject in your mind. Can I expect everyone can able to understand? Are you getting that? Okay, that's all. Just I'm stopping the session. In the next session, we will talk about remaining typecasting operators.